How to sign out of Google. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to sign out of your Google account. So for that, just open your Play Store and just click on the profile icon from the top right, and here you will see the Google account that you have logged in your device. So in order to delete that, just open your settings, and here on the settings you just have to click on the account that you have logged in and it will be on the top. And if you don't find it on the top, you just have to click on the account section in your settings, and there you will find the Google option, and from there you just have to access the account that you are logged in. And here on this page you will see the option called sign out, so just click on it. If you sign out from this particular account right now from your mobile device, then you will not be able to access the information and the services that are linked to your this particular account. So if you're okay with that, you just have to click on sign out. And now you have these two options, either sign out or sign out and remove data. So you can select accordingly and just click on sign out again. And once you sign out, and then when you'll open your Play Store, you will see the option called sign in from your Google account. And then you have to go ahead and sign in from your new account or your existing account. So this is how you will be able to sign out of Google account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. And I'll see you the next time.